Here, every shadow whispers stories of an empire. A monument to strength, yet softened by time and light.
In the heart of Rome, angels stand watch above the waters of time.
Nature and art walk hand in hand in the eternal city's lungs. When the crowds fade, wishes become audible in the rhythm of falling water.
Each step carries echoes of lovers, poets, and dreamers. Baroque beauty breathes slowly in the quiet of night.
In the seat of faith, architecture speaks louder than words.
In Trastevere, every corner is a living story, steeped in sun and time.
From this height, the eternal city breathes like a living mosaic.